Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Laura Badugo's channel. That's me, that's who I am. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair with some semi-permanent hair dye from Lime Crime. I am not prepared for it at all. I don't have gloves. I don't have a hairbrush like that you use for the hair dye. I don't have any of that. We're gonna wing it today. Why are we gonna wing it today? Because I'm bored. And when I'm bored, I do really dumb stuff. So this is going to be one of the really dumb things that I do, but I'm really excited to do it with you guys. I hope that it comes out really good, because if it doesn't, so I'm going to dye my hair. I asked a lot of you guys what color I should dye my hair, and a lot of you guys said pink. I think pink was what I got the most, but again, I bought every single color, like every single color from Lime Crime. I'm going to show you guys which color I got. So Lime Crime, if you go on their website, I could put the link below. They have sample packets and they're like $2.50, and I bought like 10 of them. I got this sushi color, powder, which is like a beautiful blue, jello, which is a green, this juicy, which is, come on guys, look how fucking juicy, sexed, which is kind of like a lavender, this salad, neon peach, which I think is going to come out a little more like an orange, anime, which I am so excited to use, guys. Look at, I got this pony, which is purple. So I'm going to use the bubblegum rose. Is that what it's called? Yes. And I got some diluter, which is going to make it a little more like pastel color, because I don't want it too bright. I want it to be like a baby pink. So I'm going to mix these two together. I have never dyed my hair before, but my mom's a hairstylist, so I feel like I've seen it done a lot, but let's just hope for the best. Like I said, I don't have hand gloves, I don't have a brush, I don't have anything. I'm gonna mix it in this container. Guys, go to Sally's or something and buy the right stuff. So I'm going to add the bubblegum rose first. Look how pretty that color is. Do we love? I love it. Yes. My suggestion to you is like have a trash bag or something that you can just dispose of right away, because this stuff is a little messy. It's like a purple. I am using a comb to mix this in, which is probably not the best idea either. But again, I don't really care. Something that I've realized is that as we get older, everybody wants us to take everything so seriously. And that is something that I struggle with a lot, because I don't like to take things seriously. I like to have fun. And I don't think that I'm ever going to really take things too seriously. I really don't think that you have to. Like, I'm mixing this hair dye with a comb, and if you ask anyone, they're going to be like, why are you doing that? You should have done it in a salon, or you should have the proper products, or this or that. You know, a bunch of different things. And you know what? You can always do everything the right way if you want to. You can. But it's probably not going to be that fun. So my suggestion to you is do whatever the fuck you want. Do whatever you want. And you know what? I'm going to see my mom and Antonio after this. And they're going to be like, oh my god. Because that's everyone's reaction when I do something. Everyone's like, Laura, you know, she doesn't listen. So this is like the pink. It's 110% a bubblegum pink. And I think when I put this in my hair, it's not going to be very light. Wear plastic gloves, protect your clothes and workspace. Didn't really do that. Select a 1-inch strand to test on. We're not testing it out, guys. We're going in. And hair must be clean, unconditioned, and dry. That's me, guys. My hair is unconditioned and dry. So how do we even start? I have this Ziploc bag that I'm just going to put my hand in and through, and then here we go. Okay. to leave this on for 30 minutes now. I'm nervous. I did it. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, guys. Oh, I got some pink on my shirt. But it's this color, guys. Maybe I should just take it out a little early. I love this pink. It's so pretty. I feel like a bubblegum head. I still have 25 minutes left, so I'm gonna check in with you guys in a little bit. I'm a little nervous. I'm nervous how this is gonna look. But fecky, right? Alright, bye guys. Check in soon. Antonio is on his way home. He has no idea that I dyed my hair. This should be very interesting. It is like all hard now, so it's definitely time to take it all out. Yes, I'm gonna go rinse it out, guys. Fingers crossed that this doesn't look so bad. Guys, Antonio's about to walk in. He hasn't seen my hair yet. I'm gonna go in the bathroom, so when he walks in, I just come out and surprise him. He has no idea. Yeah!
Hi guys. Can I go out? Can I go out? Sheen, you did it? Wow, I love it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so pumped.
I thought I was gonna surprise you, but I thought maybe you'd be a little more surprised, but he likes it.
I definitely like it. I was just talking to everyone about it. They were like, what color is she gonna do? I was like, I think she's gonna do pink. But I don't know when she's gonna do it. And I walk in and it's pink.
I like it. It's really fun. It's very bright. I added the diluter and I thought that the diluter would make it a little more pastel. So like I wonder what it would look like without the diluter. Like would it be brighter than this? Like can it get brighter than this? But I love it. This is bubblegum pink, guys. If anyone wants to try it out.
Easy.
Alright guys, that's what the pink looks like. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If you do, if you don't, I don't care. Once again, I didn't even do this the right way. I didn't have gloves and my fingers aren't even harmed. My shirt really didn't even get that bad. So, oh, makeup. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Tones is home, so I'm gonna go chill with him. See you guys soon. Like I said again, thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, all that stuff. Oh, he's going to pee. Gotta go. Bye, guys.